welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about a planner. Yes, you heard me right. I will be giving you a tour to my planner. But before initialing, I would like to tell you that in my last video I inquired about what language you do prefer me to speak in. But after no replies, I decided to speak in both Hindi and English. Still, if any of you have any problem in understanding, any difficulties in understanding my language, please do comment down below so that I can fix it, I can speak in that language and you can understand my videos better. So now without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. So now if you're a student, it might be possible that your summer breaks have started or they are going to start and you cannot go out. आप बाहर खेलने नहीं जा सकते हो, आप घर से बाहर निकल नहीं सकते हो, आप कहीं घूमने नहीं जा सकते हो, you cannot play outdoor games. You have to take care of your fitness. And it doesn't matter upon your age. You have to take care of your mental health, you have to do brain workouts, you have to take care of your hygiene. Or if you are a student, you have to do your holiday homework, you have to do your school projects, school files, or you have to simply study. You simply have to plan everything. Your assignments dates are getting nearer, your exams are getting near. You have to read some books, you have some books to read in your to-do lists, and it doesn't matter to your age. Reading is always best for your mind. Maybe some novels or some religious books. Or you want to watch some movies which you haven't, or you have to binge watch with your family. Maybe you want to build some new and good habits in this period and you have to get rid of some bad habits. Or you want to utilize this time by developing new skills like learning new languages. If you are interested in this developing a new skill topic, check out that video which is in the description box below. Well, these days you have to take extra care of your health and hygiene. And if you are working, you want to work from home, you have so much pressure, you have to manage everything, you have to do reading, you have to take care of your fitness, your mental health, as well as manage all your works. And now you tell me, how will you manage each and everything? How will you give equal importance to hygiene, fitness, work, reading, and your entertainment? And even if you are a child or a teenager or a student, it is applicable for all of you to utilize this time properly, and for this what will help you is a planner. I know many of you were thinking of maintaining a planner like this one or this one, but you cannot go out, you cannot purchase this. And this is what I want to tell you, believe me, आप बाहर नहीं जा सकते हैं, तो this is not only one and only planner which a person can maintain. That is a ready-made planner, and you can prepare a planner by yourself at home by using a paper and a pen. There are plenty of planners, handmade planners that you can take ideas from, and this is the video where I will be showing you my handmade planner that I think that will give you some ideas and you can prepare your planner by your own using these ideas. So let's start the tour. Here we go. This is my planner. So now I'll be giving you a tour of this, and this is really a small notebook which has a designer cover. I fortunately already had it at my home, so you can take any notebook like this or any normal notebook. This is just a normal notebook, a designer notebook. The pages inside it are really plain like a normal notebook. There are no printed texts. I have only written all the headings by my own. So you can say it's really handmade. So yeah, let's open it. So yeah, you can see, fortunately I had already one quote written in the very first page or the cover only of the notebook, that the only way to do great work is to love what you do, and I really love this quote. So yeah, here's the index. I have mentioned all the works, all the pages where I've planned my days. I have used glitter pen while writing it, so yeah, let's move on. So this is the introductory page of my planner. It's completely your wish that you want to make it or not. Here I've mentioned all the quotes that I really love from all my heart. There are so many quotes that I have mentioned. I have mentioned all the quotes that I could on this page. I have just made borders with a masking, sorry, not a masking tape, but a glitter or a shiny tape, designer tape, and I have written some designs. And just next to it, I've written 2020 focus goals. So here I've written all the things that I want me to improve on in this year. So yes, you can see I've written future initialing, health and fitness, academics. So yes, I also study, so I have written read books apart from syllabus also. And just below it I've written health and fitness and some style and hygiene. I've written so many things that I want me to improve on, and that's my goals for this year. So yeah, I have decorated it a lot, and in this small orange box I've written all those things that are not so important, and I've mentioned a lot of quotes. Here I've done a monthly overlook. So I've mentioned a lot of quotes. Again, I've decorated it a lot, and yeah, I've done the calligraphy, and I've mentioned all the events in April. So yes, I have written some quotes related to this month, and yes, April Fool's Day and all that. And here comes the week of April 1 to 5. Here I've written all the days and what all I want to do in these days, and I've written very much quotes beside them that I like, and I've also written over planning kills magic. So yes, these are my to-do lists that I want to do each day, and you can see that it is a weekly planner. This page represents a weekly planner, and now which I'm going to turn is a daily planner. So first of all, I did a overlook of the year, then the month, and the week, and now the daily planner. So daily I've mentioned Wednesday and the to-do list. So I've also written food log. I will mention here that what I've done in breakfast, what I've done in lunch, and what I've done in dinner, so that I can keep a track that what all foods I have eaten healthy or not the whole month. I can write the today's to-do list, and I have written a lot of quotes and gratitude. So I've decorated it a lot. I have written small accomplishments, whatever I feel accomplished for, I write it down. And emotions today, it's an optional thing. I've decorated it a lot, exceeded decorating. So yes, and in the Wednesday, gratitude just means that whatever thing that you're grateful for the whole day, that you have to mention in the gratitude box, so that you can be grateful and thankful whatever you have got in life. So yes, it is a good thing for the mind to maintain everything. And yeah, Friday, and here it is going consecutively. Each and every day I am mentioning the emotions today and small accomplishments. So this is just an overlook of my planner. So if you want me to go to more detail during this tour, so this was weekly. You can see this is weekly. Then I came to daily. You know, that's going very in a rhythm. So if you want me to go in more detail about this, please do let me in the comment section below. This is just an overlook, that's why I'm not telling more in detail. So yeah, here's exercise tracking, and here I have not filled it for you. I have not filled it. So here I've written the days, that how much I've exercised, any changes is next day, yes, no, which day, notes, observation. So I have written the goal in the last line of the whole page. So yes, it completely depends on you that how you want to track your exercise of the week. And now comes the academic track. So yes, this week what I have done in what were my goals, and what all I have accomplished, how much I have studies. So yes, observation, and was I able to reach the goal all this I've written in my academic track. So these all are at the end of the week. Now we will be jumping on to the month. Well, first, before jumping onto the month, we can see the books to read. So yes, here I have mentioned the books that I want to read, and I will tick all that which I have already read. Well, I have not read any of them right now. So yes, it depends on you that what books you want to read. You can write the title, you can write the author, and what all you have read. Films to watch, if you want to watch any films, you can write it in your planner so that you can keep a track of everything. You can give equal importance to your entertainment, to your vocab, because reading improves your vocabulary. So this was all the things that is weekly, and now we'll jumping on to the monthly thing. So here's gratitude of the whole month April. So yes, what ever I've now, so I've written every end is a new beginning. So yeah, I write quotes ever after. I can say that. So yeah, gratitude block. You can write all the things that you were grateful for the whole month. And yeah, this is a very nice thing to reboot and be grateful of all the things that you have got. And here we have seen, here I have written the name of the month. This is my habit tracker. I have written all the dates and all the habits that I want to follow, like exercising, reading, bathing, whatever habit that you want to make in your life, whatever you want to build. And this is really a colorful way to express your habits. This is really a nice and fun-filled way by which you can track your habits and see that how much times you are following these habits. So yeah, I hope you understood the sequence of my planner. First of all was my introductory page where I wrote many quotes, and then was my page for the yearly goals. I decorated it too much and then wrote all the goals that I want to achieve that year. Then what I did is I made a calendar for the month. After all this, I moved to the weekly part. I wrote all my weekly to-do list. After that came my daily planner where I minutely planned my days. Hence, after the end of every week, I kept my exercise track and my academics track, and I mentioned my books to read, what all books I wanted to read, what all movies I wanted to watch, and at the last, I wrote a gratitude list for the whole soul month and also a habit tracker for the whole soul month. From my side, gratitude is really important for in every person's life. You should be grateful of whatever you have. And also, habit tracker is a fun-filled and colorful way to track your habits that you want to build and maintain. So yeah, that's all from my side, and I want to mention one thing that yes, many people maintain only weekly planner or only daily planner or only yearly planner, and one can maintain all the three like me also. So it totally depends on person to person, how much time you have, how much time you do not have. And yes, please do let me know if you want more information on this topic, you want more details on how to make planner on my planner, or this was just a tour. That's why I just made you see my planner, but I didn't go into more detail. So if you want more details of my planner or any making of planner, how much types of planner are there, then please do comment down below. I'll surely work on that. And else, if you liked our video, please like it and share it to as many people as you can so that I can help people in managing their works. And yes, if you are interested in the topic learning new skills, you can watch my timetable for a productive home quarantine video. I'll leave the link somewhere here, and subscribe to my channel for more creative videos. Till then, take care, bye bye. And yeah, also please tell me what language, if you are not comfortable, आप comfortable नहीं है इस language में मैं बात कर रही हूँ तो, and if you want more detail on this topic. And yes, you can leave some suggestions for the next video also. Till then, take care, bye bye.